Hi everyone, this is Amanda with Peace for Paws Animal Rescue, and I am here with a 6-pack, well 2 to 4 day old puppies. They were abandoned, left in a bucket, and I wanted to kind of go over a few things. A lot of people want to be good Samaritans and try to help them. And one of the most common reasons for a puppy or a kitten or any animal that you try to bottle feed is going to be aspiration. And basically that's where the milk goes into the lungs, and more often than not, they usually do not survive. And you'll know if your baby aspirated because you will see fluid coming out of the nose, or like bubbles and fluid coming out of the mouth. And you can sometimes even hear a rattle or a crackle in their throat. So the first thing I suggest is getting yourself Miracle Nipples. You can purchase them online or from a vet's office, and they're very easy for babies that haven't been nursed or aren't old enough to understand the concept of suckling. And you never ever ever want to hold your baby like this and feed them. That is extremely dangerous. Do not feed your baby like this. When you see a kitten or a puppy nursing from their mother, they're always going to be like this. And you're going to insert the nipple, and they usually will go to town. When they're really hungry like this, sometimes they get a little fidgety, and you can see how he's trying to use his paws while he's drinking. And that's extremely normal. All he's trying to do is what I like to call making biscuits or kneading. And what he's doing is, when he's nursing from his mom, he is using his paws to push back and forth on his mommy's belly, and that helps express the milk. And you can see right there, he does have a little milk. But that is definitely not him aspirating, by no means. That's just because he is being a hungry pig. And he is devouring the baba. Slow down. Sometimes if you think that they're drinking too fast, you can take it and make them slow down a little bit. But once he kind of gets good and going, you'll notice that he'll get a better grasp of it. I don't think that these babies were ever nursed by their mom. Slow down, little one. Slow down. I don't think these babies were ever nursed by their mom. So this is kind of all new for them. We did some feedings last night. You want to go again? You had to slow down, baby. We did some feedings last night, and about every 3 hours today. And they're all drinking and doing pretty good. It's hard to tell right now with what's going on with them, because like I said, I just got them yesterday evening, and they are so young. I don't know the situations they came from. And you see him, he's so hungry. I know, you're so hungry, you gotta get your groceries. But they will be up for adoption. Usually, they will be, let's see, I'm sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. They will be fully vaccinated, and they will be spayed or neutered and available for adoption. And will be up on our website, www.peace P-E-A-C-E, 4, F-O-R, Paws, P-A-W-S, Rescue, RESCUE.com. So that's www.peace4pawsrescue.com. And we have this is a male brindle. Sorry, he's got a milk mustache. Let's see. We have a male brindle. He's beautiful and going to be such a sweet boy. So we have him. Let's see what else. We have a male. He looks to be like he's going to be a dark fawn color. He's not as wiggly. He's got a full tummy. And let's see. I know, sweet babies. We have a female, and I would probably consider her to be a reverse brindle. She almost looks black, but you can see the brown here. She would be what I would say she's a reverse brindle. And one of the important things, guys, too, I forgot to mention, never, ever, ever feed babies when they are cold, and never feed them cold food. This is a female, and she is white. But yes, that's extremely important. So one thing I hope that y'all take from this is never hold your babies like this and feed them. You always want them to be in the same position that they're going to nurse from their mother. This one already ate, but I'm just going to demonstrate again, just like this. And you never want to feed them when they're cold, and you never want to give them cold feedings. When the puppies or kittens or pretty much any baby, when they're cold, they can't digest the food properly. This is a little female. I'm not sure what's going on with her right now. She still has her umbilical cord attached, but she's a little sweetheart. And these babies will be available for adoption. Depending on how well they do. We'll definitely, let's see. This is a female also. We'll determine how soon they're going to be available. But they will be available after they are vaccinated. They receive their you'll receive a voucher for your second round of vaccines, and they will be spayed or neutered, and they will be available for adoption with Peace 4 Paws Animal Rescue, and that's www.peace4pawsrescue.com. Well, I hope you guys have a good night. And if you have any questions or you need any help with anything, please let me know. And as always, please try to do your part. Spay and neuter and be a voice for the voiceless. Good night.